Good evening, YouTube. Woo! My voice sounds a little funny. Yes, she does. Thank you guys so much for bearing with me. I really appreciate it. I have been trying to post as much as my brain will allow, but I do have a special PR box. This is, the company is Flex Beauty Cosmetics, and the owner is Megan. She is so nice, you guys. I have been chatting with her for a little while. I think okay, so Mary Mary, what's your channel name again? Beautifying MZ. She invited me, or excuse me, let me rephrase that. She asked if I would like to be in a makeup competition. I'm like, heck yeah, I do. Heck yeah, I do. I'm there. Sign me up. She's like, okay, let me go talk to Megan. I was like, okay. So then Megan got in contact with me, and she's like, do you want to do the competition? I was like, yes, ma'am. So here's the deal. It's going to be over on TikTok. Guess who uninstalled the TikTok when the ban went into effect? So now I can't get back on TikTok. Supposedly well, she said 19 yesterday, so 18 days I should be able to get back on. The competition is in 9 days. So I don't know if I'm actually going to get to participate. So that kind of sucks. But I'm trying. I'm keeping my fingers crossed that I can get back on. In the meantime, I got my PR box. Everything in this box we need to use for our makeup look. And let me tell you, I have already bought the props for this character. The theme is Alice in Wonderland. I already bought everything. I got the makeup, and I don't have TikTok. I don't have TikTok. So if I cannot get TikTok back, I am going to do my look that I intended on doing for the competition with you guys. I'm going to go live. I'm going to do my makeup look. Oh, everything in here is vegan. Oh, wow. Sorry. Squirrel. I'm going to do it live with you guys. Maybe, oh, you know what? Maybe I'll do it over on Instagram. I may not be a part of the competition, but y'all, she sent me this box of goodies that, you know, she makes. She's a small business owner. So I feel horrible about not, about uninstalling. Oh, sorry, you guys, that hurts so bad. Okay, suck it up, girlfriend, suck it up. So, oh, so cute. Look at that. So it's got little Alice in Wonderland themed stickers. Oh, this is the worm guy. No, caterpillar. Worm guy. Okay, so this must be all of my instructions for the competition. Hello, Alice in Wonderland contestant. Thank you for participating in the Alice in Wonderland MUA. I'm an MUE, but that's okay. I'm not certified makeup artist, you guys. I'm not. I just play. Okay. The makeup competition for this event, you'll be creating your own Alice in Wonderland inspired makeup look. Okay. I already did all that. I did all that. Okay, so, oh, I see. post an unboxing video and with swatches on TikTok. Oh, I don't have TikTok, baby. I'm going to do it over on Instagram because she does have it over. She has an Instagram as well. And the idea was if we couldn't do it on TikTok, that we would be doing it on Instagram. So I'm going to do all this on Instagram since I don't have a TikTok currently. So the contest is, I'm sorry, I'm reading at the same time. The contest is on the 31st. Okay. So at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 6 p.m. Mountain Time, 7 p.m. Central Time, and 8 p.m. Eastern Time. And that is January 31st on TikTok. And I hope I can be there and in the midst of all of it. If I can't, like I said, I will post something in the community page and I will do something here. We'll go live. No, well, I'll probably go live here, you guys, only because I have a bigger audience here, and then I'll do stuff over on Instagram as well. I'll just do all three, Facebook, all of it. Well, that's nice. Any gifts you get, any gifts you receive during the live stream, you get to keep. I don't really. Okay. All right. That's just more instructions for me, but I gave you guys the gist of what you need to know. So then, let's see, what do we have? It's very well, look at this. It's very well wrapped. Look at that. I'm going to leave, excuse me, Flex Beauty, all of the information for her, excuse me, in the comments. Uh-oh. Oh, okay, that's, all right, let's see. There's something in this. Oh my God, what? Oh my gosh. Alice in Wonderland. Oh, this is so cute. We're all mad. We're all mad here. There's teacups. Oh, that's so cute. Okay. That's adorable. Megan. Okay, I gotta protect that. Keep that away from the grandbabies. No, they would be careful with it because they know what Grandma does for a living. Okay, so then we have this little pouch here. And this is do not open until 7 p.m. Oh, okay. Nope, we can't open this yet. On July 31st at, oh, okay, yeah. Okay, we can't open it. It says do not open. Can we really not open it though? Oh, yeah, that's what it says. It says, surprise item, do not open until the competition. So we really can't open that. Okay. That's what it says. It says don't open. Is this one the same thing? Yeah, I can't get my hands in there. What is that? Oh, that must be the red and black. Yeah, red and black Stardust mini loose pigment and a Sealer mixing medium. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Yeah, because I wanted to. It's got little keys and stuff in it, you guys. How funny is that? But yeah, there's our 2 pigments that we get that we're going to use for the competition. I was kind of hoping to have more than that, but that's okay. We're going to make it work. This one is, this must be the mixing medium, is it? What's the matter, baby? You gotta go potty? Did you go potty? Did you go potty? What, honey? I don't have anything. You gonna sit down? I know, honey. What? What, baby? Mama's working. You gotta get down. Do you have to go potty? Is that a yes? Do you have to go potty? Okay. Oh, hold on, you guys. I'll be right back. Okay, she had to go potty. Okay, so this must be the mixing medium. Teacup crown, got that. A stencil that will need to be used in the competition, plus a trinket for keepsake. So this must be the mixing medium. This right here. It's liquidy. Okay, and then we have 2. This is a deep black stardust. Oh, this is... Hey. I'm so confused. Okay, so I have 2. So this is the 2 pigments. Okay, this is the 2 pigments, let go, and the mixing medium. Okay, so I need to figure out what these ones are then. And that could be a stencil that needs to be used. Yeah, that's the mixing medium. A set. Hold on. Okay, I figured it out. I figured it out. So these little guys are little keepsakes, little trinket keepsakes, okay? These are like little metal pieces. This is the stencil that we need to use during the competition. Now, the question is do I need to use this one in the competition as well? Because that was in there too, because it's like a little, like you put the key in it. So I'm going to hold on to all that. So that was like our little keepsake stuff, and then the stencil. Okay. So now we have some, oh my God, those are gorgeous. I am so keeping these. Look at these, no. Nope, that's not going to work, Christine. We need to get these out of the box so you can actually see. Oh, my Lanta. Oh, my Lanta. She's beautiful, you guys. I cannot wait. These are handmade for this competition. Hold on, I took it out and now I'm having a hard time. I want to get it right in the corner. You guys see that? That's the lash. Oh, I'm going to have so much fun with that. So much fun. Okay, I'm going to put those back in. Where's the, there it is. Look at those. So much fun. Okay, so we got the lashes. We got the one thing that we can't open. Okay. There's so much in here, you guys. So much in here. That says do not open. Okay, so then we have, what is this one? That's the palette. Handmade lashes. What are these? Loose pigments, tea. Oh, I wonder if these are the actual, oops, sorry. My hands, you guys, my hands. I can't. Oh, this is going to be a long video. I'm so sorry. Okay, this must be the actual eyeshadows that goes in the palette. Like as if they were singles. Yeah. But it has a palette, so I'm trying to get them out. My hands would work with me here. There we go. Yeah, I think these are the colors of the palette. So here's the palette itself. I don't want to tear it. Where's the little thingy-majiggers? Pull the string. Okay, we got it. We got it. It's fine. How do I open it? What am I doing? Hold on. Hold on. Let me just show you what I just did. So I'm looking at this box, right? I'm thinking this is the palette, right? I mean, it's gorgeous. Why wouldn't it be the palette? Like, how do you open it though, right? What? Where's the palette? Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. So they definitely do go in here. So give me 1 second. Okay. Here they are. So pretty. So I'm going to do swatches, but I'm going to do it over, well, there's only 4 of them. We can do some swatches real quick. Oh, wow. What is that? Oh, that's pretty. Oh, those are nice, you guys. Those are nice. Okay. So that's what I got in my box. That is what we're working with. So don't forget, January 31st, TikTok. I'll leave everything in the description of this video so that you know what's going on. I will, of course, be announcing it the closer we get. So, but yeah, go check out flexbeauty.com. She has an Instagram. She's on TikTok. I don't know if she's on here though, but she is on Instagram and TikTok. And of course, I will leave her website so that you guys can go and look. I don't think I have a code. I don't see one. No. Okay. So I don't think I have one. But take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. Please be aware of your surroundings. And until next time, see y'all later. Bye.